Next, area of a triangular field is, see, big area, x raised to 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 meter square. Base of the triangular field is x square minus 4x plus 1 meters. Find the height. Problem is very simple. Area, base, height. Area equals to half into base into height. Just put the values. So x raised to 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 equals to 1 upon 2 into base is what? X square minus 4x plus 1 into height. Okay. Take 2 on the other side. It becomes 2x raised to 4 minus 12x cube minus 52x square plus 276 minus 70 equals to x square minus 4 plus 1 into h. Now we want h because that's what is required. Find the height. Okay. So h equals to, take x square minus 4x plus 1 on the other side. So it becomes 2x raised to 4 minus 12x cube minus 52x square plus 276x minus 70 upon x square minus 4x plus 1, right? So that you can write it as a division also. We have written that only because that's easier. Otherwise you'll have to find the factors of all these terms and then solve. It's not easy to find the factors. Okay. Better is division. Okay. So first with first. So it becomes 2x square. So what do we get in below? Firstly check if all the terms of x are in the linear order. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. In the divisor 2, 1, 0. Okay. Means terms of x. X square, x raised to 1, x raised to 0. Similarly over here, we have discussed this in our earlier videos. Check that. Okay. Let's move on. So what happens now? 2x square into x square, 2x raised to 4. Similarly over here, 8x cube, 4 into 2 and minus sign. So 1 into 2, 2x square. So change the signs, division. So it becomes minus 4x cube minus 54x square, and this 276x comes down. First with first. So we get minus 4x. So minus 4x cube plus 16x minus 4x. Try this yourself. It's a difficult one. Huh? Okay. 4x cube gone from both in both. So what remains now? Minus 70x square plus 280x minus this 70 comes down now. Okay. Again solve then. This divide first with first. It becomes minus 70. So minus 70x square over here. And here 7 for the 28 280x plus and 70 into 1 70 minus 70. Change the signs. You get 0. Here 0. Here 0. So it's correct. Everything is 0. So what remains now? H equals to this quotient. Quotient is 2x square minus 4x plus 70. Okay. So you can take 2 common and write it, x square minus 2x minus 35, depending on the what is given in the exam. Important is this division. Try it yourself. Okay. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get this